Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're doing another episode where I draw Lego Ninjago characters in my own style. And for this week's character I chose Samukai, and he is a very cool skeleton creature which is very cool for this upcoming Halloween season. I'm already excited, so let's get to know this guy and let's get drawing. Samukai was a fearsome skulking general with 4 arms. At some point he died and was reborn as a skulkin in the underworld, where he united the army of the undead and became their king. Upon Garmadon's banishment, Garmadon took over the underworld and became their new ruler. Nonetheless, Samukai retained the high position in the underworld as Garmadon's lieutenant and the skulking general of fire, carrying out his superior's will. Okay, the rough sketch is done, everything is into place now, let's get on with pencils. Okay, the pencils are done, I think we made all the important decisions here. Now let's get this drawing in the final phase, and that is inking. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made of Samukai, and if you guys are interested in all the other Ninjago drawings I already made on this channel, please check out my playlist here. And if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!